the fans are singing, the players have warmed up, the game is just moments from kick-off.
Both managers have picked strong lineups today, no real surprises. And the away team have gone with this formation.
Off we go then for another 30 minutes.
Passed inside.
Goodness me, that was close.
Sends it forward.
Salah. Goodness me, that was close.
Confident pass. Back off the post.
What a finish!
Let's take a closer look at that goal now.
Good interception.
Into the danger area. Good block there.
Oh, how unlucky.
They're appealing, but he's onside.
Oh, it's going to be a penalty.
Oh, and it's the first card of the day, and it's yellow.
Oh, and it's in. He gave the keeper the eyes and scored the penalty.
Lovely passing here.
It's with the striker now. That's into the side netting. Goal kick.
Launched upfield by the keeper.
He did well to win the ball back. Passed well. And he's one-on-one with the keeper.
And there it is. Goal. He's scored a brace.
That was really well taken. Here's how they did it.
Great pass. Keeper sends it long.
Well, that's the half-time whistle here. Some shocking defending on display today, but hats off to the other team for some fine finishing. We'll see you after the break.
A single change has been made. Will it have an effect? Well, it's 3-0. Surely no chance for a comeback for the losing team.
That's good link-up play.
Oh, wayward pass. Normally he's so accurate with his distribution.
That's nicely played.
Will they make that quick change now?
The shot's on. Oh, and it's saved by the goalkeeper. Well, let's have a look at that one again.
And that's into the box.
Headed on.
That one has gone out of play.
Some really fluid passing on display.
Can he finish it? Oh, it's a goal! It's a bit lucky, but they all count. A few centimetres one side, and it would have surely bounced back into play. But it's a great finish.
The striker picks it up. That's a rash challenge there. Good distribution.
Well, he's certainly made the goalkeeper work. He's unlucky not to score. Whipped in.
Maruna collects.
Well, surely all he can do now is grab a consolation goal. There's not much time left, and it seems all over. Not the best header there.
Confident pass.
Good ball.
Oh, we won't tire of seeing that one again. Great stuff. Good work there to get on the score sheet. The manager will hope that form continues.
And there's a full-time whistle. A fantastic spectacle of football here, ends with a scoreline of 4-1.